So we're just going to take a couple of minutes here to quickly show how to create a page navigation pop-out menu within your PBIX file. End goal being just to make it easier for your end users to navigate to a specific page. We'll look here and you can see within our file what we're going to try and accomplish ultimately is to get this menu here to pop out. You could then toggle between different departments of your organization and then close it back again. So the setup for this is actually pretty straightforward. You just need to have first of all your menu items sort of grouped together. If you are not already someone who groups collections of items into folders, I would highly recommend do that. I'm a big advocate for it. It especially makes creating the bookmarks that we're going to use much more simple to manage. So in this particular case, I have a few different things. If we turn this back on, you'll see there's the white box that's back behind everything. And the goal with this is I have some standard elements that are going to appear every time for the menu. So there's no reason to repeat those or make multiples of those. There are then the specific pieces, like in this case, my sales elements are showing, or I could show my ops elements instead to give people different pages to navigate to. So you have the back side of it is just the placeholder pieces where all of your underlying information goes. It's the same every time, and then you just swap out which department it is you want people to be able to navigate to. So what we need to do for this is just make, in this particular case, 3 bookmarks, which is pretty straightforward. And the nice part again about everything being in this single collection of items is it makes creating the bookmark much more straightforward. So if we bring our bookmarks pane out here, what we are going to do is first just create a bookmark, and it's going to be based solely on this one item. So all you have to do is have that collection of menu items selected and turned off, and this is going to be our hide menu bookmark. And then we want to go here and tell it to not include any data, even though there are no slicers included in that section. And we also want it to be the selected visuals only, which again is really simple because they're all contained within that one thing. What we'll do then is turn on this, and then we have, you can see the sales information visible, the ops information is hidden. So we can collapse this again, just click those. We're going to add another bookmark and call this show sales. And then we will do the same selections of removing data and selecting visuals only. And then we will change this out to be show ops. And we have that selected, so now we can call it show ops. Same choices again. And now we should be able to cycle through the 3 of these and know that they're working the way that we need them to. The next thing to do then is to simply apply the bookmarks to our icons. So in this particular case, we'll come here to the sales icon, and we have the actions turned on. If we drag this out over here, we want it to be a bookmark, and the bookmark we are going to apply is show sales. And then we can come down to the ops area, same thing, apply show ops. And then if I activate that, I now come down here and you'll see in my collection of things, I don't have an icon loaded in this file that I like for the close, so I just put 2 shapes next to each other with a transparent button over the top. So what I'm going to do to this transparent button is assign the hide menu action, and once that is done, I can then come over here and hide the menu, and then I can come here to show ops or show sales, and then people can go through, navigate to whatever page they want, and in that instance, if they want to stay where they are, they can close the menu back out again. Hope it was helpful. Let me know if any questions, and I'll look forward to seeing what you come up with to use this in a particular instance for yourself. Thanks so much.